channel. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I'm so glad you're here for today's fall-inspired tablescape for Thanksgiving 2025. Now, I'm really being a trooper on today because I don't feel 100%. Something I ate. Yeah, something I ate. It's got me a little, but I'm gonna push through. I'm pushing through and presenting this tablescape for you on today. Now, if you're new, please consider becoming a part of my growing YouTube family. It's free, it's fun. Just simply like, subscribe, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. So, yeah, let's go to today's tablescape. As always, I appreciate you stopping by the channel and showing me some love and support. Any items used today found in Amazon? Of course, they're in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the bio and the description box below for your shopping convenience. And you know Amazon, they're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Make sure to follow me on IG, Facebook, and TikTok as well. And if you're new, before leaving, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.